Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English with Jack. Today, we will do a short shadowing practice, something you can do anytime. You can do this if you are busy. You can do this if you have only 5 minutes. You can do this while walking or even before going to sleep. So here is how it works. You listen and speak at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat what I say. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to be perfect. Just speak with me. This practice helps you start a conversation in English. It makes opening words easy and natural. It builds your confidence to speak first. Let's begin. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Excuse me, do you have a moment? Excuse me, do you have a moment? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? I like your shirt. I like your shirt. Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. It is sunny and warm. It is sunny and warm. Do you like this weather? Do you like this weather? What do you do? What do you do? I work in an office. I work in an office. I study at university. I study at university. What about you? What about you? I am from Kigali. I am from Kigali. Where are you from? Where are you from? I enjoy this place. I enjoy this place. Have you been here before? Have you been here before? This coffee is good. This coffee is good. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? I see you reading a book. I see you reading a book. What is it about? What is it about? I love books too. I love books too. What kind do you like? What kind do you like? The music is nice here. The music is nice here. Do you know this song? Do you know this song? I think it is fun. I think it is fun. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Is this seat free? Is this seat free? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am happy to talk. I am happy to talk. You seem friendly. You seem friendly. I like meeting new people. I like meeting new people. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. What do you enjoy doing? What do you enjoy doing? I like sports and music. I like sports and music. How about you? How about you? It is good to chat. It is good to chat. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. Sometimes I feel shy. Sometimes I feel shy. But I start anyway. But I start anyway. One word leads to more. One word leads to more. I smile and speak. I smile and speak. People smile back. People smile back. Conversations grow easy. Conversations grow easy. I practice every day. I practice every day. I greet strangers politely. I greet strangers politely. I ask simple questions. I ask simple questions. I answer with confidence. I answer with confidence. I say goodbye nicely. I say goodbye nicely. It was nice talking. It was nice talking. See you again soon. See you again soon. I did it today. I did it today. I started a conversation. I started a conversation. I feel proud. I feel proud. I can do it again. I can do it again. English opens doors. English opens doors. I meet more people. I meet more people. I share my thoughts. I share my thoughts. I learn from others. I learn from others. Starting is the key. Starting is the key. I take the first step. I take the first step. Every time gets better. Every time gets better. I am ready now. I am ready now. I speak first. I speak first. I enjoy the moment. I enjoy the moment. Conversations are fun. Conversations are fun. I grow with each one. I grow with each one. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Shadowing is simple, but it is really powerful. It prepares your mouth and mind to start conversations smoothly and confidently. Do this every day. Even 5 minutes makes starting easier. Come back tomorrow. Practice again, grow again. I'm Jack, and this is Easy English with Jack. Until next time, keep practicing, keep starting conversations in English, keep growing. Bye for now.